Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung intention oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Aries, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano parating sa inyo in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to because this is a timeless reading. So this is also a general reading. Just take what resonates, okay? So, just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see. Anong parating sa inyo in the next 7 days, Aries? What's coming to Aries in the next 7 days? You have creativity. Wow! So, mag-a-awaken kayo sa inyong creative talents, creative skills ninyo. Parang meron kayong eureka moment dito eh. Kasi ang number 33, this is sa numerology, that is a master number, no? So, master creator. Ganyan. And also, authenticity. So, maaring this is related to your, yung sarili mong, the way you express yourself, no? Pwedeng through arts, through music. And you're going to share your talents and skills sa iba, no? And with the number 10 here, this is about new beginnings, no? For you. So, maaring may bagong simula related to your creativity, showing your talents, your skills, and your authenticity. Wow. So, tapos may grace pa dito. So, this is going to be blessed. No? Ibe-bless ka dito. Some of you are also be collaborating with someone or starting a contract, no? Pwede ring working with someone and meron kang support na makukuha sa mga taong naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what else for Aries. Ano yung parating? Next 7 days for you from the time na mapanood nyo to. Aries. 5 of Cups. May loss. King of Cups. Knight of Swords. 8 of Pentacles. Okay. Maaring magkaroon kayo ng challenging situation with water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Oo, maaring may disappointment, pwedeng merong misunderstanding, pwedeng merong nasabing masakit na salita, no? Na nakapagpasama ng loob nung isa. So, pwedeng ikaw yung sumama ang loob or yung person that you are dealing with. Can be a family member with the Ten of Cups. So, for you, you are also going to focus on your finances, no? So, with the Eight of Pentacles, you're going to work things out. Maaring magiging busy ka dahil dito sa creative na gagawin mo. This can be a new business, a new project, or pwedeng pansarili mo tong way to parang maglibang, no? Kasi 'di ba, yung iba mas gusto nila na i-show yung kanilang creativity through hobbies, yung mga libangan, pastime, ganyan. So, some of you, maari ring merong salo-salo sa family, kwentuhan with, pwedeng reunion, no? Ano tong disappointment na to? Disappointment saan? Okay. First house, sa sarili nyo. Maaring meron kayong gustong gawin na hindi nyo magawa, or meron namang dapat nyong ginawa, hindi nyo ginawa. Alam mo, missed opportunity. May pagsisisi kasi rito eh. Oo. Na siguro, merong opportunity na mag-open sa'yo, tapos, hindi ka nag-take action agad, tapos naisip mo, missed opportunity. Ano yun? Teka. North Node. This is related to your destiny and where you are headed to. So, I think you are going to discover more about yourself. Yung iba sa inyo, may loss. Ibig sabihin, maaring may mawala sa inyo dahil you are being redirected to your soul's purpose. Okay? Itong North Node in the first house. So, how are you going to deal with that? Leo. So, I think, mas magiging confident ka sa sarili mo in dealing with where you should be going. So, kailangan connect ka sa iyong creative mind, creative talents, and skills. Just be true to yourself. Okay? Yung pagpapakatotoo sa sarili mo, yun yung magdadala sa'yo sa success. Childhood, pagiging playful. There's growth, there's also new beginnings for you. Meron kayong great catch, no? Kailangan lang, you have to go out there to catch it. 'Di ba? Halimbawa, gusto mong kumita ng pera. So, syempre, anong dapat mong gawin para kumita ng pera? You think of mga paraan to earn money and not just to wait, no? Oo. Dapat ikaw talaga yung magte-take ng action. Kasi I'm seeing na meron ka ritong makukuhang, it's like itong eureka moment mo na to na parang idea, tapos magiging income generating siya for you, na pwede siyang maging pagkunan ng fulfillment mo. You may feel fulfilled by this opportunity. Let's see. Creative talaga to kasi Leo, tapos may creativity rito. Childhood. Some of you naman, you may be spending time with your kids. Lalo na yung mga lost opportunities ninyo na magkasama. You will parang make up for the lost time. Keep your heart open. First quarter moon in Libra. Pagiging open to collaboration or communication, connection with someone if you want to connect with a relationship. The answers you need are coming. Ayan, ang mga sagot daw sa inyong katanungan ay parating na. Kung ano man to na gumugulo sa isip ninyo, kung meron man kayong mga pagdedesisyon na kailangan gawin in the next 7 days, meron ng sagot. Best possible decision for you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.